10K, time. Time. Just spend some time looking at time without the time. You know, every day you get up in life and you run around. Some of you are waking up, rushing in traffic, rushing. I have no time. If I had more time, I'm so aggravated in my time. Come on, guys. Why do you allow people's time to affect you? Time of what? It's a time for all of us. It's a time to let go. You know, how are you really going to bring in money and a nice waterfall? Well, only when you understand time and you become home. You gotta go through a dark tunnel sometimes. That's just life. That you know you have strength. Then the wind blows, the inner child comes, and you're blessed inside your crown. And you serve the world as a diamond.
10K Yuj Tarot Readings. Book now. Allow your inner light to shine like a diamond. Take care.